Ladies and gentlemen, dreamers, doers, and believers, today I want to talk to you about something that has the power to transform your life. It's not a secret formula, a magic pill, or a shortcut to success. It's something far more powerful, something that lies within each and every one of us. Today we're going to talk about how to develop a winner's mindset. Now let me ask you this, what does it mean to be a winner? Is it about trophies, accolades, or being better than everyone else? Being a winner is not about external validation. It's about an internal shift, a way of thinking, a way of being, and a way of approaching life that sets you apart from the crowd. A winner's mindset is not something you're born with, it's something you cultivate. And today I'm going to show you how. Let's start with the foundation of a winner's mindset: belief in yourself. You see, winners aren't people who never doubt themselves. They're people who choose to believe in themselves despite the doubts. They understand that self-belief is not a feeling, it's a decision. Think about it. Every great achievement in history began with someone who believed it was possible. The Wright brothers believed they could fly. Marie Curie believed she could unlock the secrets of radioactivity. Serena Williams believed she could become the greatest tennis player of all time. And guess what? They all faced setbacks, failures, and naysayers. But they didn't let those things define them. They let their belief in themselves guide them. So, how do you build this unshakable belief? Start by silencing your inner critic. That voice in your head that says, "You're not good enough, you'll never make it," or "Who do you think you are?" That voice is not your friend. It's your biggest enemy, and it's time to shut it down. Replace those negative thoughts with affirmations like, "I am capable, I am worthy, and I am enough." Say them every day, even if you don't believe them at first, because over time, those words will sink into your subconscious, and they will become your truth. Now, let's talk about vision. Winners have a clear vision of what they want to achieve. They don't just drift through life hoping for the best. They have a destination in mind, and they work relentlessly to get there. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine your ideal life. What does it look like? What are you doing? Who are you with? How do you feel? That vision is your North Star. It's what will guide you through the darkest nights and the toughest challenges. Write it down. Create a vision board. Meditate on it every day. Because when you can see the invisible, you can achieve the impossible. But here's the thing. Your vision must be bigger than your fears. If your dreams don't scare you, they're not big enough. Winners don't play it safe. They take risks. They step out of their comfort zones. They dare to dream big, even when others tell them it's unrealistic. Remember, the people who tell you it can't be done are usually the ones who didn't have the courage to try. Now, let's get real. Developing a winner's mindset is not all sunshine and rainbows. It's hard work. It's discipline. It's showing up every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Winners understand that success is not an event, it's a process. Think about an Olympic athlete. They don't wake up one day and win a gold medal. They trained for years, early mornings, late nights, blood, sweat, and tears. They fall down, they get back up, and they keep going. That's the grind. And that's what separates winners from everyone else. So, how do you embrace the grind? First, set clear goals. Break them down into small, actionable steps. Then, commit to doing the work no matter how hard it gets. Remember, motivation will come and go, but discipline is what will keep you moving forward. And when you feel like giving up, remind yourself why you started. Your why is your fuel. It's what will keep you going when the going gets tough. Here's the truth. Life is not fair. You will face obstacles. You will encounter setbacks. You will fail. But here's the good news. Winners don't see failure as the end. They see it as a stepping stone to success. Let me tell you a story. Thomas Edison, the man who invented the light bulb, failed over 1,000 times before he succeeded. When asked about his failures, he said, "I didn't fail 1,000 times. The light bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps." That's the mindset of a winner. They don't dwell on what went wrong. They focus on what they can learn and how they can improve. So the next time you face a challenge, don't ask, "Why is this happening to me?" Instead ask, "What can I learn from this? And how can I use this to grow?" Because every obstacle is an opportunity in disguise. Every failure is a lesson, and every setback is a setup for a comeback. Winners have an attitude of gratitude. They understand that no matter how tough things get, there's always something to be thankful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. It fills your heart with positivity and your mind with clarity. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a good night's sleep, a supportive friend, or the opportunity to chase your dreams. When you cultivate gratitude, you attract more things to be grateful for. It's like a magnet for positivity. And speaking of positivity, winners don't let negativity bring them down. They surround themselves with people who uplift them, inspire them, and believe in them. They avoid toxic relationships and negative environments because they know that your mindset is influenced by the people you spend time with. So, choose your circle wisely. Finally, let's talk about resilience. Winners don't quit. They don't give up when things get hard. They keep going, no matter what. Because they know that success is not about how many times you fall. It's about how many times you get back up. Think about J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter. She was a single mother living on welfare when she wrote the first book. She was rejected by 12 publishers before one finally took a chance on her. Today, she's one of the most successful authors in history. Why? Because she didn't give up. So, when you feel like throwing in the towel, remember this. The road to success is paved with failure, rejection, and disappointment. But if you keep going, if you keep pushing, if you keep believing, you will get there. Because winners are not defined by their circumstances. They are defined by their perseverance. Ladies and gentlemen, developing a winner's mindset is not easy. It requires courage, discipline, and an unwavering belief in yourself. But I promise you this, it's worth it. Because when you develop a winner's mindset, you don't just change your life, you change the world. So what are you waiting for? The time to start is now. Believe in yourself. Create a vision. Embrace the grind. Turn obstacles into opportunities. Cultivate gratitude. Surround yourself with positivity. And never, ever give up. You have everything you need to succeed. The only question is, will you take the first step? Will you choose to be a winner? Because the world is waiting for you, and I can't wait to see what you achieve. Thank you.